Let's find the reactions of this member here. So we'll start by drawing a free body diagram like so. We'll include our known forces, which is going to be the 500 pounds. Okay, add again a 3, 4, 5 sort of setup like so. And then we've got a 600 foot-pound couple moment at the end point right there. Now, I've got some reactions here. Let's look at what's going on at A. That's a pin joint, free to rotate, but I can't move it up, can't move it to the right. So I'm going to have a AX and AY to restrict that motion. Okay, rotation is not restricted, but motion in any direction is. At B, I could rotate, I can move horizontally. What I can't do on that roller is move up and down. So I have a vertical force that I'll call B acting right there at B. Again, because I can't move up and down, there has to be a force restricting that. So, free body diagram, next thing, sum the forces in the X, sum the forces in the Y, set them equal to 0. So I'm going to have AX, and then the only other force I have is plus 3/5 times 500, and that equals 0. Sum the forces in the Y. I'm going to have AY, and I'm going to have B, and then I'm going to have negative 4/5 times 500. And then I'm going to sum the moments. Now I get to choose the point that I sum the moments about. Point A, I think, is the obvious choice because I've got two unknowns at point A. So the only moment, or the only unknown showing up in this moment equation, is going to be B, because again, the moment of X and AY are both 0 about point A because it goes right through. There is no moment arm there. Okay, so when summing the moment, don't forget you've got this negative 600 couple moment that I need to worry about as well. Its location doesn't matter, but I've got to include it. So I just say negative 600. Then I've got 5 feet. I want the horizontal distance times the vertical force, which is going to be 4/5, excuse me, times 500. And that's going to be a negative. That's going to create a clockwise rotation. So again, horizontal distance, vertical force. Similarly with B, I'm going to take that horizontal distance 10, take it times the vertical distance B, and it is vertical, so I don't need to do sine, cosine, anything like that. That one's creating a counterclockwise rotation about A, so I call that one positive, and then set that equal to 0. From this equation, I find that B equals 260 pounds. Okay. From the top equation, I find that AX equals negative 300 pounds. Again, what I know about that negative sign is all that means is, oops, I was wrong. AX is actually going to the left. I drew it to the right. I didn't know. Now I know it's to the left because I got a negative answer. Okay. Now I've got B. I can plug that into the Fy equation. That will give me AY equals 140 pounds. So again, draw your free body diagram. Put in any reaction loads based on what kind of motion is restricted. Okay. Then sum the forces in the X and Y, sum the moments about the point with the most unknowns going through it, set them all to 0, and then just do some algebra on the three equations to solve for the three unknowns.